What's up guys? So one of the easiest things you can do to take care of your car and make sure that it's running the best that it can is to change its oil. Today I'm going to show you how to do the easiest oil change on a C5 Corvette and pretty much any LS car. Stick around. Excuse my meat. So we're not going to waste any time. We're going to make it nice and quick. First step, obviously, jack up the car. I have it jacked up on 2 jack stands. Second step, you're going to want to pull the dipstick to relieve air pressure. And I have my catch can setup is a little different than most. So my inlet to the catch can actually goes into where the oil cap would be. So I'm gonna undo that really quick and then I'm gonna get under the car. So I undid the catch can setup from the valve cover. Now the next step, you're going to want to loosen that bolt right there. It's gonna be a 15. That's where your oil is gonna come out. And then we're gonna tackle the oil filter. So the way I like to do this is to put a 15 socket with a few extensions on there. That way I can just turn it from a mile away and the hot oil won't spill on me. Nice and clean. Let that drain for a nice minute. Make sure you get out as much as possible, and then we're gonna hit the oil filter. So as soon as you're done draining everything, you wanna put your drain plug back in, clean the area, and then tighten it up, move your container to the rear. Now we're gonna tackle the oil filter. Clean up the area real nice, and get your new guy back in there. You really only want to tighten it hand tight. Just make sure you don't over tighten it. As far as the drain plug, you just want to get it nice and snug. I believe it's 18 foot-pounds, but I like to put a wrench on it. That's good. All right, so once you tightened up your drain plug and your oil filter, the next step is gonna be to fill up your engine with oil. So C5s either come with LS1s or LS6s. I have an LS3, so make sure you check your owner's manual for how much capacity your motor needs. In my case, in the LS3, I take 6 quarts, I turn on the car, and then I bring it up to operating temperature to make sure that it doesn't need any more or if it needs a little less. Most of the time, I end up filling it up to about 6.5, 6 3/4. After that, I turn it on, heat cycle it, I go for a drive, and then I come back and you're pretty much done. That's it. Easy as pie.